Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2017 Ford Ranger single cab chassis ute, stock reference number 4840. The shape runs from the 6th month 2011 and is the current shape. It has a P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left guard with one small dent, left front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door, good private door, 8-inch scrape dent along the bottom edge, left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, factory fitted alloy tray with all bolts and brackets, Hayman Reese tow bar with all bolts, brackets, loom and module, right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, grey leather centre console lid, 6-speed manual console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.